Hello and welcome to Pacbrake's install video series. Today we will be installing a HP10216 amp air spring kit on a 2010 Chevy Silverado 1500. The installation of this kit is applicable to all 2007 to 2018 Silverados and GMC Sierras 1500 in 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. The estimated install time for this kit is around 1 hour, but you may be able to complete it much quicker depending on your mechanical experience. Please read the install manual that came with your kit carefully before conducting the installation, as this video is by no means a replacement to the manual. You can find your install manual and more at www.pacbrake.com/HP10216. Before we begin the installation, we will assemble the air spring. Fasten the NBT air fittings, then place the roll plates and fasten the top bracket with the included countersunk screws. The two top brackets have a driver and passenger side. In this video, the left air spring is the driver side and the right air spring is the passenger. On the bottom side, place the roll plates onto the ends of the air spring and fasten the bottom bracket over it using the included countersunk screws. Pay attention to the orientation of the bracket. The side with the notched corner must face opposite to the side with the air fitting. The first step to the installation is to park your vehicle on a level surface, raising and supporting the rear axles onto two jack stands and removing the rear wheels. Next, remove the bump stops by prying them out with a pry bar or flathead screwdriver. In this installation, we have already done this step. Assemble the hex bolt by placing the larger washer and threading the helicoil guiding wire. Use the guiding wire to locate the hex bolt inside the ladder frame, rear of the bump stop as shown. Unthread the helicoil wire and repeat this step for the other side. Next, raise the truck frame by jacking on the tow hitch to create more clearance for installing both the air springs. Ensure the air spring is oriented such that the air fitting is pointing to the inside. Place the U-bolt over the frame and into the mounting holes of the top bracket. Now fasten everything with the included washers and nylon locking nuts. Use a small socket wrench inside the ladder frame to hold the hex bolt in place while tightening. On vehicles with a fifth wheel hitch installed, drill a 5/16 hole into the frame using the top bracket as a guide and fasten the included self-tapping screws. This is only a demonstration as our vehicle is not equipped with a fifth wheel hitch and will be utilizing the U-bolts. Continuing on with our installation, lower the truck frame just enough to close the gap between the bottom bracket and the axle. Align the J-clamp on the bottom brackets of both air springs and fasten them down with the included hex bolts, washers, and nylon locking nuts. On the differential, remove the e-brake cable bracket and replace it with the included large size Adele clamp. To install the heat shield, bend the tabs as shown. Attach the heat shield to the exhaust pipe by using the hose clamps to secure the bent tabs. Install the airline to the vehicle through the license plate mounting holes. Sandwich the Schrader valve by using the included hex nut and flat washers and route the air lines to the air springs. Perform a leak test to ensure the air fitting is fastened airtight. Inflate the air spring and spray soapy water over the fitting and observe no bubbling occurs. In this demonstration, if bubbling occurs, tighten the air fitting until the bubbling stops and wipe the area dry. Spray soapy water again to ensure it is airtight. Congratulations! You've just completed the install of your amp air spring kit. If you have questions or concerns, please contact Pacbrake at 1-800-663-0096 to talk to one of our qualified customer support team reps, or visit our website at www.pacbrake.com, which has all the technical support you'll need. Don't forget to register your warranty with us to take advantage of the lifetime warranty on your air springs. For your additional air needs, you can also upgrade your system with amp air springs control, air compressors, or air tanks. To stay up to date on all Pacbrake products, like and subscribe to our channel below. Thanks for watching.